13. Success or failure? Honor, misfortune, disgrace. What bargain is it to trade hope for fear, or to live between loss and gain? All are dangerous companions to take on a journey. As phantoms, they arise from doubt whether oneness is enough to dissolve the separate self. The mask we wear to honor the 10,000 things and bind the self to its desires. Without the body to identify the self, what can possibly trouble the soul? Fear constricts. It distorts the heart's intentions, opening the door to endless afflictions. The sage knows the body is a trap for the false sense of self that is the mother of human sorrow. Find balance in standing firmly on the ground of being. Trust the Tao in the way things are. Love existence as yourself. Change and consequences won't seem nearly so terrifying.